Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could fix the error or the problem of your computer camera not working. So one of the things which we need to understand is that there might be three reasons why the camera is not working. The first of all is that the driver is not installed and we will have to check if it's installed. If not, then we will install it. The second thing that your settings are not allowing the camera to be used. And the third thing is the compatibility problem. The drivers are there, but they are not compatible with your version of Windows. The last error happens when your computer was supposed to be running on Windows 7. However, you decided to go to run Windows 10 and the drivers are not published or released anymore for Windows 10 by the by the computer company maker. So let's check first our privacy settings as a first thing to do. So here we go, and here we can check on the left side on camera. So here you have to make sure that allowing application to access your camera is turned on, and here you can choose also which applications are allowed to use your camera. Make sure that you select the current one. So for example, here when I disabled it, I disallowed Snagit, from which is the software for recording my screen. I disallowed it from using my camera. So here it shows on off. So if I want to allow it, just click on and then type camera and try to go to camera to see if it's going to work. So I'm just covering my camera and let's just close it. So now it's working. If this didn't solve the issue for you, then you can go to the second choice or the second solution. You type device manager and you click with the right button of the or you click with the right button of the mouse to open it. And here we are going to look for. So what we will look for here in this device manager is the manager which allows you to manage every device or every part of your computer, include from the monitor to the processor to the RAMs to everything. So we'll look for the drivers of my camera. So here we have the camera. We'll click on the arrow on the left to show integrated camera, which is correct. And here I will click with the right button of the mouse and we'll check properties. So if you found in case you have found this driver already installed, it's fine. If you don't find it, don't worry. Just go to Google, type your computer brand, let's say Lenovo or HP, and then type the series, let's say Lenovo T460, and you type next to it download the camera driver. I will show you this later, but now we will just keep on going, and here we'll click update driver. For the people who has it and the camera is still not working, we'll try to update. So click search automatically for an update, and Windows, after a few seconds or few minutes based on how fast is your computer and your internet, it will come back with the message that it's either couldn't update or Windows has determined that the best driver for this device already installed. If it's the case and camera is still not working, then just click on the right button of the mouse, select and install device, or just click properties, driver, uninstall device. Delete the driver software for this device and we'll just click uninstall. After that, what we are going to do for the people who just uninstall it now and for the people whose driver is not available, you will need to go to connect to your internet. So as I said, we will connect to your internet and we will open just our Chrome. And here we are going to type what we need. So Lenovo IB13, and I will type camera driver download. This works for any other computer regardless of the brand. So just type the right brand of the computer and the right series and it should work. So now we're just going here, install integrated camera driver for Windows 10. I will select this one and here we will look for it. Make sure that you have selected the proper brand of your computer. So here I see that supported ThinkPad systems T430 W blah blah blah. Okay, so unsupported operating system Windows 10 and Windows 7 and 8. So we will go back to our search tab and we will type a command dxdiag and we will open it. This this command, which will now appear, this one shows us the system model or the computer model, and it shows us the Windows operating system. So for example, here I have Windows 64-bit, Windows 10 Pro, and I have a system model 81HN. So what we're going to do, let's do it easy. We will type Lenovo. As I said, the system model or the computer series, it's 81HN, and then download camera driver. Let's go ahead and see. Yes, now it's opening. I see that since my computer is very new and supported by Windows 10, I will go for Windows 10. And make sure to get the compatible one, which is the 64-bit for 64 or 32-bit for 32. So here I will check again. Camera driver for Windows 10 64-bit is correct. My computer series is correct, and I will check for everything. It seems to be fine, and I will just click download. If you are unable to find the exact one, just type again Lenovo, for example 81HN in the search, click on it. It will guide you to the exact drivers for your computer. In my case, this one. Just to avoid any confusion or any problem, you can do the same with any other computer, by the way. And we'll go to drivers and software. And here you have the option to either perform a start scan, which is not the case for all computers or for all brands. However, let's go to manual update, which everyone can perform. I'll skip the first one. So here I have camera and reader, card reader, and here camera driver, exact Windows 10 64-bit. I don't have any other choice rather than 64-bit for one reason, that the computer which I have has been made only in 64-bit version. So I will click download here, and once done, we can go ahead and disable our internet, and we can continue. So here I have the driver, show in folder, and I will click on the driver to run. Windows is asking smart screen cannot be reached. We can just click run since I uploaded from the official website of Lenovo. We can accept the agreement and click next. Here you can choose in which file you would like to install the driver. I will just leave it by default on the proper one. C drive, drivers, file, camera, next. The folder already exists. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? I will just click yes since I deleted it before. Install. And we will just wait. We can close now our browser. We'll just click OK, finish, and here we go. Now we will go again to Device Manager. We will click again to open. And as you can see, the camera driver is not appearing even though we reinstalled it. So we'll just click on this little loop on the top, scan for hardware changes, and we will wait. There we go. The camera is now appearing, and you can go ahead and use your camera. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you are still in need of help or assistance, leave us just a comment with the description of what is the issue and what is the error code, and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always press like if you like this video, or dislike in case you didn't like it. And you can always share with your friends if they are having the same problem. And also do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos and also our support. Thank you for watching.